little too late, I found you at the wrong time. To be continued your way, not a long time. Yeah, too little too late, I found you at the wrong time. Yeah, to be continued your way, not a long time. I've been thinking about it for a minute. I've been living like it's no tomorrow. I've been feeling like I go against feelings. My emotion never getting followed. My life never been nothing special. Never been impressive. Never knew the essence of a man. Never thought that growing up would be a blessing. Living in my adolescence ever since. Living like it's only money, cash, hoes. I just wanna pass go. Really, I'm a gorilla. I'm a go-getter. Got the crazy bounce in the flow silly. From the flow to the ceiling. Feeling empty like Fresh Prince when the season ended. I'ma reinvent it. I'ma be attentive. I'ma grow deeper. Just give me a minute if you can. Too little too late. I found you at the wrong time. To be continued your way, not a long time. Yeah, too little too late, I found you at the wrong time. Yeah, to be continued your way, not a long time. The further I grow, the further I go. I can't be ashamed, I can't be too high, I can't be too low. I gotta maintain, I never complain. I'm feeling the pain, I'm feeling the glow. I think I remain, embracing the change. But still never change, and still never know what's happening next. I don't stress what I don't control. Life lesson learning with the wheels burning, and I'm still getting to know myself a little better. I'm better than ever, forever. The record is better, it shows. If you still ready, then I'm here. Heavy heart, holding on to this growth. Never too late. Too little too late, I found you at the wrong time. To be continued your way.